I have Mr. Before I do Mr. Montoya's client, I have Mr. Garcia on the screen. Mr. Garcia, what's going on with you?
Okay, so Judge, I have two cases today
Yeah.
on Casey, what's her last name?
Santos, Quesada Santos.
Quesada Santos.
The DA's office dismissed that case last night. I didn't realize it until right now.
Okay.
Can you have my voucher?
Well, I
Or-
think it's a great job of luring, so I'll pay you for it, you know.
Yeah,
just
Richard.
Do I have to switch it out to say dismissed instead of plea? Should I do it
I think just do a standalone voucher. Do a standalone voucher and send it to Terry. I'll sign it.
Yeah, I will send you a plain voucher right now, Richard, just on this case. And what's happening with Eric?
I need to take a plea on him.
Okay, got it. So you need to
But
see
can
him.
I speak to Casey anyways?
Yeah.
Right now, can he?
What? Richard, I'm moving you to room 1 very quickly, all right?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to
Make it quick, Richard.
give the load.
All right.
There you go, Richard. Okay, there we go.
So in the meantime, Mr. Montoya has been waiting patiently for his plea on Mr. Aguilar Caballero. Let me see if I can go to my paperwork.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm looking for his paperwork here. Okay, so then let me go down to Zoom. Do we have the interpretation ready to go? I'm hoping we do. Mr. Aguilar Caballero, raise your right hand. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí, la verdad.
Thank you. All right, now I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen, sir?
Sí, la veo.
Okay. Is your name Jose Aguilar Caballero?
Sí,
Are you the same Jose Aguilar Caballero who in this cause number 2025 CC 005240 who is charged with the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
sí,
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
sí,
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
sí,
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
sí,
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
sí,
And do you understand it?
sí.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No,
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status?
entiendo.
In other words, if you have a green card, it is possible you could lose your green card. It is possible that you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. You understand those possibilities?
Sí las entiendo.
Mr. Montoya, have you talked to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, I did, Your Honor. We discussed that extensively.
And he understands them?
He understands it, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand this?
Lo entiendo.
So then, to the offense of evading arrest, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
And do you understand that on a plea no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Sí entiendo.
Okay, hold on. You understand that on a plea no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Sí entiendo.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. It is a $0 fine. Court costs 18 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served. Time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Montoya?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Aguilar Caballero?
Sí.
Then, sir, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I'll follow the plea bargain. I sent you the $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 18 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Montoya?
Just a nice hold, Judge. That is all.
Pardon me, there's an ISO.
That's
Okay.
it. Yes, Your Honor.
As far as this case is concerned, sir, this case no longer holds you, but you still have a hold from immigration, and that will still hold you. But this case is over with. Okay. Good luck to you.
Ok, muchas gracias.
And Mr. Montoya, you can be excused. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let me get back to screen. I'm stopping the screen sharing. Got a text on my phone. Let me check that before I do anything else.
While you're checking that real quick, Catherine, you ready for a plea on Juarez Martinez?
Yes, I am.
And we're going on both cases, correct?
Correct.
Got it. Okay. Mr. Gary, good morning.
Good morning. Oh,
Good morning.
Mr. Gomez. So he is a Spanish speaker. I don't speak Spanish.
Oh, okay. All righty. I will pass this case on to another attorney, Mr.
Okay.
Gary.
Thank you.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Gary.
Sorry.
Thank you. I hope you're still available, Miss Valenzuela.
Yes, I am.
Okay, we'll talk in a moment. Whenever when you're ready, Judge, we'll do her case. She's
Ms. Valenzuela, you ready? Let me see who I have on you. Is that Juarez Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
He has two cases. Is he pleading to both cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me see if I have the paperwork. Hold on. Okay, Juarez Martinez. I see both cases, and both cases are DWIs. So I can do one of them, it doesn't matter which one. Pull that out. Okay, do I have Mr. Juarez Martinez in front of a camera? I don't see him yet.
I can hear you.
Okay, and before I do this plea, I have Ms. Edwards on my screen. Ms. Edwards, what's happening with your case?
Judge, we just completed the plea paperwork.
Okay, well, we'll do another plea ahead of you. As soon as I can, I'll do yours. Okay, just be patient.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sí.
Judge, are you set to English? Can the interpreter hear you?
Okay.
Or can you hear the interpreter?
I'm assuming that the ever capable Alex Valverde is taking care of the interpretation right now, even as we speak. Alex, how's the interpretation going? Can you hear me, Miss Abrams? Okay, she can hear me. So here we go. Mr. Let me get this right. Taking care of the interpretation right now, even as we speak. Okay, Mr.
Judge, I have it on English. I think you need to change it.
No, I don't need to do anything. It's your computer that should be. If you have it on English and it's not working, then there's a button you go to update interpretations, and you have to like kind of redo it all over again. Do you see that button? You go to the interpretation button, right? Alex?
Judge, can you hear me, the court reporter?
Yes.
Okay, because Arlene is saying she's trying for you to hear her, but it sounds like you're not able to hear her.
I'm not
And she
hearing
was
her.
saying, since you're sort of like one of the users at this point, not the host, I think you still have to go to interpretation and
Okay.
select English. Just make sure you're
Okay.
on the English channel. That way you
Okay.
can hear Arlene.
Can Arlene say something? Okay, I can hear her now. Thank you, Angelise. Okay, so we're okay on the interpretation, Alex. We're all right. All right, Mr.
Sí. Sí. Gracias.
Juarez Martinez, can you raise your right hand? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sí.
Okay, put your hand down. I'm about
Gracias.
to share my screen with you. 1 minute. Let me share screen. Hopefully this will work. Okay. Do you see the screen, sir?
Sí.
Is your name Marvin J. Juarez Martinez?
Correcto.
Are you the same Marvin Juarez Martinez who in this cause number 2025 CC 005206 who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated while having a blood alcohol content in your body of 0.15 or more? Is that you?
Sí.
Are you also the same Marvin Juarez Martinez when cause number